How to factory hard reset iPod Shuffle 4th Gen. To perform a factory hard reset on your iPod Shuffle 4th Gen, you'll use iTunes to restore it to factory reset. Now, first of all, what you want to do is connect your iPod Shuffle to your computer and open iTunes. And once you do it so, you'll then need to go to the iTunes section. What you need to do is uninstall and reinstall iTunes on your computer. If you are unable to use your iPod Shuffle with iTunes, you want to restore iPod Shuffle using a computer. If resetting the device fails to connect, technical problem. Once the process is finished, your iPod Shuffle will be restored to factory settings, and that is how it's done. So this is the way you could actually do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.